Hey, Tarek Valent from Surfleet. Greetings from Amsterdam, and I trust everyone is staying safe. Before we begin, I'd like to extend a very big thank you to the Venture Center and FIS for this incredible opportunity and the invaluable experience that we've taken away over these past few months. Surfleet provides co-browsing and video chat technology that empowers your agents and advisors to connect and collaborate online with their customers as if they were sitting side by side. We can instantly upgrade any conversation on any channel and device with one click. We make real-time interaction incredibly easy. The customer just needs to click on a button or a link, and this instantly starts a co-browsing session on your own website, portal, or application. Unlike other meeting conference tools like you're used to, like Zoom and WebEx and Microsoft Teams, we turn your own branded property into the communication platform. We also don't need any third-party application to be downloaded, which makes it much more secure. To go a step further, with security at our core, we allow you to mask sensitive data like social security numbers, tax IDs, credit card numbers, and our powerful audit log API allows you to stay fully compliant of the conversations that are happening on your platforms. We've grown incredibly quick over the past few months, from 9 superstars to 30 superstars in just 7 months. And we're working with 100,000 advisors and agents around the world in leading financial services institutions. For financial services institutions, we help you to improve your digital acquisition and your customer onboarding, most important part on the customer journey. We allow you to exceed your customers' expectations, say those complex loan and mortgage journeys. We can really streamline them. And we also help to integrate seamlessly within your existing investments, tech investments, like CRMs, like Salesforce, or contact center platforms like Nice in Contact, Cisco, or Vonage, who we have strong alliances with. Now, I usually have a deck full of elephants and apple pies to show you, but we don't have time for that. And I'm probably, you're going to find much more interest in the product. So we're going to shift gears here, and I'm going to share my screen. What you have here is on the right-hand side, ABN AMRO, a leading Dutch bank. We work with one of their subsidiary companies in commercial lending, but we don't work with the mothership yet. And what I'm going to show you is as real live a demo as it gets to highlight how easy we are to implement. What we can do is we can integrate easily into your infrastructure with our APIs, really well documented. ABN AMRO, for example, their subsidiary company, integrated with Salesforce with our API documentation in 2 days. But here's what we're going to do. Let's imagine on the right-hand side of the screen, you have a customer who is lost. Maybe they're stuck opening an account, and maybe they just need a more, personal interaction. What we can do is we can paste a button, get live help. I'm not hacking them. This is just on my local machine. But what you're going to find is, let's say, imagine a customer is on the website and they're stuck opening an account. They're already on the phone with an agent. The agent will ask the customer, yeah, we'll help you. Press that get live help button. Now, it doesn't need to be like that. You can completely customize it, but the customer presses it. Here, we have a pop-up box, which you can completely customize as well into your own branding style. And as you can see, a co-browsing session has started on their domain, ABN AMRO, as you can see. All the agent has to do is ask the customer, what's your PIN? And the customer gives the PIN, 1062, and they press enter. And as if by magic, with no downloads, applications whatsoever, we're connected, as easy as apple pie, as we say at Surfleet. And what we can do then further is elevate the experience even more into a video chat, so the agent with a click of a button can join the video chat. I'm going to mute myself, and the customer can also, with a click of a button, join the video chat. We can zoom in to have a more, a face-to-face, and then we can also zoom out. You see 4 there, it would be an agent and a customer, but it doesn't need to be just that, because what you can see here is we can add more people into the session. So if the husband really wants that Ferrari and he needs to bring his wife onto the session to get the approval, that can happen. Or it could be the frontline support can bring in a mortgage advisor into the session as well. Very easy. And now the agent is then able to help that customer to navigate to the right place to open an account, as you can see here. And we can walk through that journey easily. We can also switch control between the customer and the agent. So the agent can have the control switch to, now the agent is in control. So it's not passive like those conference tools we mentioned before. This, you're actually collaborating in real time on your existing applications and website. The control can always be switched back to the customer, and we can block the agent from pressing important buttons. And we can then continue with applying to become a customer of ABN AMRO, of the Dutch bank, very easily and in a more human and personal touch, which is very important. And what you're going to see here is that we can actually mask this information, like I mentioned. Over here, you'll find a telephone number, which I've masked without any code on the website. And further on, it asks for tax details. You'll also see on the left-hand side where the agent is, it's masked as well. This required no code on the application itself. Now we can switch the control back to the agent, and the agent is able to upload a document, a contract, for example, or in this case, a credit card form for the agent, for the customer to fill in. And it could be a form that the customer needs to sign as well. And we can edit this PDF. We can make this PDF an editable PDF. And we can switch this control back to the customer, who can then insert their signature as easy as apple pie. And that really is how easy it is. And we can edit this document, and we can also go back to different websites. We work with a leading insurance company in the Netherlands called Achmea. They do health and P&C and life. And we can even jump from the bank website over to the partner's website, or be it an external application like an Elime or any external web apps that you're using on your sign-up process. That's a bit of a flavor of what Surfly is. I did rush through it. If you would like to find some time to actually go a bit deeper, then I'd be more than happy. Uploading now a list of our references. You can always email me at tarek@surfly.com. Thank you very much for listening, and stay safe, everyone.